Welcome to Cooking with George. Today we're going to do an omelet in a mug. I'm going to go do a non-vegetarian type with ham and cheese, and my friend here, Veronica.
I'm going to do a vegetarian only type. So we're going to have spinach and cheese and sans ham.
Awesome. So what we start off with, we can do it two different ways. We're actually going to use an all-purpose food spray. You can use Pam, but if you want to, you can use butter. Now the benefit of adding butter is a little bit more fat in there, a little bit more flavor, sure. So we're going to start by spraying the inside here.
And if you don't want to use butter, you can always use like coconut oil or whatever other oil you have on hand.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'm going to take 2 eggs, I'm going to crack them inside a mug. There's 1.
And I'm not as fancy at that. I have to use both hands.
And come on, don't be shy. And 2, perfect. I like to add just a little bit of salt and pepper into mine. It's entirely up to you.
The great thing about salt is that it just brings out all the flavors.
Oh, absolutely. And then we're looking for a whisk. Get nice and emulsified. Perfect. Now don't throw your fork away yet because you're going to use it again in a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add some ham to mine.
I'm going to go ahead and add my spinach. This is a great way to get some veggies in the morning, especially if you know that you're going to have a day of not really eating a whole lot of veggies. Go ahead and have an omelet so that you can load up on those veggies before your day even starts.
Perfect. I actually prefer turkey sausage in the morning.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
Good.
Well, you can always add turkey sausage to your omelet too, along with your veggies.
Good idea. All right. So I'm gonna allow you to go first today. Throw it on into the microwave.
All right. I'm gonna mix this up first.
Yep.
Start with a minute. Take it out, check it, stir it around, and then restart it.
It is vitally important that you check that your mug is microwave safe.
Yes. That way you don't burn your hands or spark anything in the microwave.
Yep.
And we are about to check our...
I remember the fad was just dump the yolk and just do the egg whites.
Oh, terrible.
I bought into that.
I know.
It didn't work for me.
I think we all did, unfortunately. All right, so based on stirring it a little bit, it looks like it probably needs another full minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in for another full minute. So we don't want to dry out the egg, especially in the microwave, it can quickly dry out. So we want to just do it in increments. Also, it just depends on the strength of your microwave. So I like to do it in minute increments, and then once it looks like it's getting more and more cooked, then we'll do it in like 20 to 30 second increments. Let's see if this is done. Ooh.
Oh, that looks great.
Wait, do it for me again.
Look how delicious that looks. All right, let's just make sure that it is completely cooked through, and it looks like it is. And now it is time to cook the other omelet. So I'm gonna do another full minute on here. So let's check this one. All right, so we're gonna stir it around. It definitely looks like it still needs to be cooked a little bit longer.
And we're using a 700-watt microwave. Yours might be a little bit more powerful or not as powerful. So minute increments are probably the best way to go.
Yeah, and you can even bump it down to those 30-second increments too. All right, it's done now. Oh yeah, looking nice and fluffy. Just like an omelet that you would make in a pan at home. Well, now there's just one thing left to do. Cheers. Thanks for joining us with Cooking with George.